critic. Another day, another food to take. Rate. And if I rate it 10, you must try it. Like her.
Sama na tayo.
Okay. Let's wait for the pizza.
Ano pala siya, no? Madal.
Madaldal yan. Ito, Richard Pizza, Syra.
That's why my name is Moses. Do you want it 50? Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Oh, very good.
Richard Pizza na, oh. Ayun, oh.
Ano
Oh.
Ah,
Where's this?
I don't know.
No, oh. Let's ask her. Yes, sir.
This is Malanday Drug.
What?
Malanday Drug.
Selling also pizza.
Yes.
Yeah.
That. I don't know that.
That's a medicine.
Sa medicine.
Why is that?
Oh, it's here. Corner ng...
You said that's for so much.
Oh, Malanday Drugstore.
Yeah, but I was going to offer too much money. You said you have so much money.
Ito na yung pizza mo, Syra.
Okay, Steven, ano mo? Focus mo. Focus mo.
I can't see. I'm so small.
Okay lang.
Ah, I never do. No, like this. How much money does that cost? I think that's 10 billion.
10 billion ka dyan.
Oh!
Oh, shout out.
Screening namin.
Ha?
Screening.
Screening ng mga coverage kayo.
Ilipit na tayo ni Boss. Tigil ka. Excuse me,
Oh, dami nito mga to.
Marami ka lang yan.
Hoy.
Pizza! 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 Pizza!
Wala na, last money ko na nga yan eh. Sayang yung pizza, they get your pizza. Pizza, boss. Isang, hindi pa nga kayo naglalaro, nagbuburakot na kayo. Kumaya na yan. Kasi, hindi mo pa i-rate yan, mamaya na sa house. Mainit pa.
I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10.
Wala pa.
You ano ha?
Huh?
Advertise my pizza.
What?
You promote your pizza.
Pizza.
What?
You promote the pizza.
My pizza.
Let's promote.
I said, oh, if you want pizza, you buy this one at Malanday Drug.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, let's go, let's go.
I'm gonna go. It's raining na kasi.
Okay, you go there na. You just go there na. Oh, bye na. Overheat na ako.
Oh, ayoko ketchup. That's why.
Go na. Get na yours.
Me first. Nobody eat. Wait lang. Ako muna. Tagal mo kasi. Oh, get guys. Yung mais. Ang cheesy na. Sarap.
Ha?
Friend.
Sarap?
Masarap.
Sarap? Go. Score. Score mo. Score mo.
10 out of 10.
Very good. Very good try out. 10 out of 10. So what you say?
Guys, you must try it kasi remember the video that I did earlier? Here I will say it. I rate this 10 out of 10. Masarap. Taste it.
So what they gonna do?
You try it and buy it.
Okay. Where?
It's saan lugar yun? It's Malanday Drugs.
Oh, drugstore. Very good.
But wait,